Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making FL Studio see your hardware, plug in the controller, and power it. Once connected, open Options, then MIDI settings, and enable the device as an input. This tells FL Studio to listen. Make sure the port number is set, and if available, choose the specific controller type. Otherwise, pick generic controller. You do this so mapping commands later target the correct device. Once done, keep the MIDI channel consistent between the device and FL Studio. Now you map. You open the plugin or mixer control you want to tweak, right-click the knob or fader and choose Link to Controller. FL Studio will wait for input. Move the physical control on your device so FL Studio can detect and assign it. This is the why. It creates a live link. Then tweak min and max values, and if necessary, choose a mapping formula to invert or scale behavior. Make sure the link shows the correct port so the mapping stays stable. Finish by saving your mapping so future projects recall it. Export plugin presets or save the project bones to preserve links. If a mapping misbehaves, delete the link and reassign it. You do this by reopening Link to Controller and removing the problematic mapping, then remap cleanly. If parameters jump or duplicate, check for 2 active MIDI inputs, enable exclusive mode on hardware, and enable MIDI smoothing in FL Studio. One key tip: mute other MIDI sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.